Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to earn $15 every 10 minutes in South Africa 2021. But before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome to Dollar Influencer. I will be your host and I will be taking over this channel on behalf of Dollar Influencer. He asked me and he told me that his subscribers have been waiting for content, and since he's unable to do that right now, I will be stepping in. So hopefully you guys will enjoy me because I am here to stay. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune to Dollar Influencer. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. The first thing that you need to do is go on Google and type miniurl.io, and it should take you to this page where it says shorten URLs and earn money. So before I tell you about the URL, let me give you a detailed description. So as it says here, how do you start? The first thing that you do is that you create an account. The next thing that you do after that is that you shorten your link, and after that you are able to earn. So let me explain that more thoroughly. As it says here, what is MiniURL? MiniURL is a completely free tool where you can create short links which, apart from being free, you can get paid. So you can make money from home while managing and protecting your links. How and how much do I earn? How can you start making money with MiniURL? It's just 3 steps. You create an account, create a link, and you post it. For every visit, you can earn money. It's just that easy. And the best part about it is that there is a 20% referral bonus for every time you send a link to someone and he or she creates an account, and you will make 20% from everything they own. So if you scroll down, you'll just see more things that they are telling you about, like detailed stats, featured administrations, and low minimum payout. And the good thing about this is that you are only required to earn only $5, and after you do that, you will definitely be able to cash out. I prefer PayPal because that's the international bank across the world. It says here over 12 million total visit, 900,000 total URLs have been created, and more than 50,000 people have signed up for MiniURL. Now, how do you actually make money with MiniURL? So I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So I want you to go on YouTube, and I want you, for example, to write iPhone 13. Anything that you can think about that's been trending, and I know for a fact that the iPhone 13 has been trending. So what I want you to do is that I want you to look for a video that's been getting a lot of views. For instance, this one, it's gotten 7.8 million views in the last 3 weeks. And then you go on the share option and then you click on copy. After you've done that, go back to MiniURL and take that URL that you copied and paste it on MiniURL, and it will shorten that link. After it has done that, it will produce a brand new link, and this link is the link that you will use to get money from. So what you do from here is every single time a person clicks on your link and watches that video that everybody else is watching on YouTube, you make money. You understand? So pretty much you aren't actually doing anything illegal. You are pretty much just taking the link and you're shortening it, but the benefit of it is that now people are able to watch it from your link and you are able to make money. And a lot of questions people has is that, how am I supposed to get people? Because it works the same as how YouTube works. You need to get around 1,000 plays or 5,000 views to actually make a lot of money. It's not a scam, it's legit, but you obviously need to promote the link so you can get a lot of views. So the best option that I can give you to promote is that you can go on these iPhone videos or any other type of videos or any type of niche that has been trending, and go on the comments and just go on very new comments and just come there and write there something very clickbaity. You can just write there, this is the new iPhone 13 brand new video that has just come out, use this link to watch it. Even if you want to lie, there's no problem in doing that because they don't need to like or dislike it. All they need to do is click the link and watch the video for a few seconds. Once they have clicked the link and watched the video, that is a view. So if you just do that over and over, you will definitely reach 1,000 or 5,000 views, and you will definitely get paid. So just make sure that you follow my instructions, guys, and you'll be fine. And I recommend that you sign up and create an account on the desktop version because the mobile version does not have all of the accessories, so I was not able to show you all of the benefits and how it works. So definitely use it on the desktop. And if you want to use a PayPal account, just make sure that you know all of the details regarding that. If you do not know how to make a PayPal account, there are multiple videos on YouTube explaining that exact process. So honestly, guys, if you just follow every single instruction that I gave in this video, then you definitely definitely should be fine. Anyways guys, it has been Larry. Thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. I am very happy that you guys made it throughout this video. If you made it to the end, you are a star. I love you. Peace, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.